Architecture of 8085 microprocessor. Functional block diagram or architecture of 8085 microprocessor is very important as it gives the complete detail about a microprocessor. It mainly consists of three sections: register unit, arithmetic and logic unit, timing and control. Register unit. The microprocessor 8085 consists of different type of registers: general purpose registers, temporary register, special purpose register. General purpose register. There are 6 general purpose register, namely B, C, D, E, H, L. Each of them is of 8 bit and can be used as a 16 bit by combining 2 8-bit register, but the combination should be B, C, D, E, H, L. Temporary register. It is an 8-bit register. It cannot be used by the programmer. It is used to store temporary 8-bit operand from general purpose register. It is also used to store intermediate result. It is used to hold the data during the arithmetic and logical operation. Special purpose register. Program counter PC. This is 16-bit register sequencing the execution of instruction. It is memory pointer. Memory location have 16-bit address, and that is why this is 16-bit register. The function of program counter is point to the memory address of next instruction to be executed. When an opcode is being fetched, the program counter is incremented by 1 to point to the next memory location. Stack pointer SP. The stack pointer is also 16-bit register used as a memory pointer. It points to a memory location in read-write memory called the stack. The beginning of the stack is defined by loading 16-bit address in the stack pointer. So basically stack pointer hold the top of the stack. Incrementer and decrementer latch. It is 16-bit register. This register is used to increment or decrement the value of stack pointer and program counter. During push operation, the value of stack pointer is incremented. During pop operation, the value of the stack pointer is decremented. Address buffer and address or data buffer. It is an 8-bit buffer. These buffer drives address and data buses. Due to these buffer, the address and data buses can be translated when they are not in use. Arithmetic and logic unit group. In that, ALU, arithmetic and logic unit. It is used to perform the arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction, then logical operation like ANDing, ORing, XORing. It is an 8-bit register, so processor operates on 8-bit data only. It receives the data from accumulator and register process that data according to the instruction and store the result into the accumulator, and the status of the result will store in the flag register. Accumulator. One of the input to the ALU is from the accumulator. It is also called A register. It is of 8-bit. It is used in arithmetic and logical operations. It always contains one of the operand on which arithmetic logic operation has to be performed. After the arithmetic and logical operation, the result is stored into the accumulator. Flag register. ALU includes 5 flip-flops that are set or reset according to the result of an operation. It is 8-bit register. It is called status register. It gives the status of the result after performing arithmetic and logical operation. There are sign flag, zero flag, auxiliary carry flag, parity flag, carry flag. Timing and control unit group. It consists of instruction register. It is an 8-bit register. When instruction is fetched from the memory, it is loaded in the instruction register. It holds the opcode of an instruction. Instruction decoder. It gets the instruction from instruction register and decodes the instruction. It identifies the instruction to be performed. It generates the various machine cycles depending on the instruction. The machine cycles are then given to the timing and control unit. Timing and control unit. It is the control section of the microprocessor. It controls all the operation of the microprocessor and peripheral devices. Basic purpose of timing and control unit is to synchronize all the microprocessor operation with the clock. Depending upon the machine cycle received from instruction decoder, it generates timing and control signals. It has 3 control signal: ALE, RD bar, WR bar, 3 status signal IO/M bar, S0, S1. ALE is used for providing control signal to synchronize the component of the microprocessor and timing for the instruction to perform the operation. RD bar and WR bar for performing read and write operation. IO/M bar to identify whether the operation is with the memory or the peripheral device. Then there are ready, reset in, reset out, clock out, hold, HLDA signal. So basically timing and control unit will receives the decoded information and release the control signal for the microprocessor that controls the operation. Serial IO control. It is used to convert the serial data into parallel and parallel data into serial. Microprocessor work with 8-bit parallel data. Serial IO devices works with serial transfer of data. Therefore, this unit is the interface between microprocessor and serial IO devices. Interrupt control. It is used to handle the interrupts. There are 5 interrupt signals in 8085: TRAP, RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5 and INTR. Interrupt controller receives these interrupts according to their priority and applies them to the microprocessor. There is one outgoing signal, INTA, which is called interrupt acknowledgement.